Howdy champs, my name is Mohit and people, today I'm going to talk about a service called woofoo.com, and through which I'm going to create a contact form for my website. An absolute must, really, a contact form for every website, and Woofoo makes it so very easy for us. We're going to see just that how. Okay, I'm already logged into my Woofoo account. With the free account you can actually create 3 forms. I've already created 1 and I have 2 forms left, and you're allowed 100 submissions every month, which get reset the next month. Okay, so let me first show you the form that I'd created for my website. Let me click on this view button. Alrighty, so this is the way the form actually looks quite cute, professional, nice, right? Okay, so let me get back to my form manager of the woofoo.com account, and let me create one new form for you from scratch so you can understand things really well. First things first, let me give a title to my form, and let's say colorful form or whatever. Okay, let's start adding a field. Click out here to add a field. I'm gonna add the name field first. Okay, I'm gonna click out here, and then I'm gonna make it mandatory or required. I'm gonna leave some instruction for the user. Let's say please fill in your complete name. You see the instruction appears out here. This will in reality appear only when the person actually hovers over the name field. Okay, I'm gonna add the field. I'm gonna push in one more field, let's say the email field this time, and I'm gonna click out here to make it required like this, and please enter email in the right format. Okay, it appears out here as a tooltip, but that'll in reality happen when the user actually hovers over the email field. Let me add one more field. Let's go with how about a drop down menu. Okay, click out here and just put in certain choices. First, just select one option. Okay, and say Dreamweaver out here. Flash out here, and let's say Swish Max out here. Swish Max 4. All right, and I'm gonna make this field required as well. Cool, I'm gonna add the field. Okay, and I think I'm actually done. Next, I'm gonna save the form. Very important. Okay, I'm gonna set up the email notification next, the email to which the contact form details should be shot. Okay, let's say I'm gonna settle for this one. I'm gonna save the email notification. I could have set up the cell notification or your mobile notification too, which I'm actually leaving for the moment. Now that I've set up the email notification, I need to go to themes. I need to set up a theme. I can either use 3 of the themes that I'd already created earlier, or I can create a new one, people. Okay, so when I click on this create new option, let me choose a logo. I say none. Okay, the logo that was out here has actually disappeared. Let me choose a background for my form. A wallpaper, let's say. Let's go with this one. Okay. How about the header? Let's go with this one. Okay, the form, let's go with this one, or rather this one. You can see the various areas, you know, in which the changes are getting reflected. No, not working. Something lighter actually will do. How about this one? Okay, I think I'll settle for this one. Alright, and you can change the borders, the shadows, the buttons, and so much more, but I think I'll just settle for this theme. I'm gonna save the theme. Okay, I'm gonna give it a name, so THEME, let's say theme 2. Save it up. Okay, let's get back to the forms tab. And okay, so the colorful form was the one that I'd actually created. Let's take a view. Let's see how it actually looks like. So it's looking vanilla simply because the theme that I'd used has not been applied. I'm going to go out here. I'm going to apply the theme 2. Okay, and I'm going to view it once again. Okay, so this is the small cute form that I'd created minutes ago. The name field is mandatory. The email field is mandatory. So is this. I can choose any of the 3 options and submit the details. An email will be shot to the email address specified. So how easy it is, people. And let me show you how to actually include it on your web page. There are several ways to do it. You just need to head to the code tab. Okay. See, you can just copy and paste the snippets that are provided out here. For example, I can simply use the URL on my website. Okay. And let me show you how it'll actually look like. Yeah, this is the URL that I can just push it onto the website. I already should have Dreamweaver open out here. Let's say create new HTML. Let's give it a title. My contact form or whatever. Head between the body and push the code. Click out here. Take a view up in the browser after saving the changes. Call it form. Okay. Just coming up, people, and see, this is the way it will actually appear. I'm going to click out here and you see the same form that we had created actually appear. And see the tooltip that actually appears when I hover out here or here, or I had not created a tooltip out here. No instructions were left for the user out here, but it appears on the right hand side like this, right? Very, very cool. Okay, let's head back to Wufoo and see, I could have used a URL straight away too. This is the short link to that. Okay, let's see how you can actually use the full page form code. You just need to download this file and then upload it to the server, obviously. So it's actually downloaded the the full page form code, and let me open it up and show it to you. Yeah, the same thing actually opens up. I'll show you another option you can actually do it. Let's go to the embed form code. What if you don't want to, don't want the full form code, just the the embed code. Just need to push it as an embed code. I can use the iframe version, not recommended though, or the JavaScript version. Highly recommended. Let me right click, let's say copy. Okay, let's head back to Dreamweaver. Remove the anchor tag that I had left between the A tags. Replace it with the new tag, and let's take up a preview up. Ideally, I should have dropped it inside a div, but just keeping things short. Okay, and let's see how this actually looks like. Okay, it doesn't give you the background, but gives you everything else. And if there were a div, people, this would have crunched in width. Okay, so this is the embed code. Okay, righto. And let's see what other options we have. Let's try the iframe version too. Let's go with this. Let's say copy and head back to Dreamweaver and replace this code with the new code. Take up a view in Google Chrome all over again. Okay, pretty much the same. Alrighty, head back to Wufoo, and I'm gonna show you a pop-up link demo. I'm gonna copy the code, get back to Dreamweaver, replace the old code with the new one like this. Take up a preview. This time the form should pop up in the way that I'm about to show you in a moment. So it says fill out my form, click, and a pop-up window actually appears, only big enough to accommodate the form. Okay, very, very cool. Alright, let's get back to Wufoo. Alrighty. So people, these were several options that we could have used. So, an anchor tag, a full page form code, or an embed code, or a pop-up link. These are the options that I usually like to use. So people, just create a form, set up email notification or mobile notifications, and then just head for the code section, push in some code inside Dreamweaver or your HTML editor, and you're actually done in minutes. All right. So people, see how easy it is to create a contact form using services from Wufoo that allow you free 3 forms and 100 submissions every month that get reset the next month. So people, I hope you found this information useful. You would implement it on your websites, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Peace.